Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, coming to you from Mackle Park. Sun's just coming up over the palm trees. Little market update. It is Friday, August 13th, Friday the 13th. Market forces are still in place. Low rates, low inventory, high demand. That hasn't changed, and until that changes, the market's not going to change. One other little force that maybe is not being talked about is more full-time residents moving to Southwest Florida. Think about that. If you were going to buy a house and use it 4 months a year or 6 months a year, how much would you pay for it? But if you were going to buy a house and use it 12 months a year, live there full-time, you'd pay more, right? Obviously. That's another force that people really aren't talking about that is causing our pricing issues that we have right now. Inventory being the biggest. So prices, inventory, interest rate, demand, until any of those elements change, part-time to full-time, the market's not going to change. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, coming to you from Mackle Park in Southwest Florida. It's going to be another beautiful day in Southwest Florida. Make it a great day and have a great weekend.